Falling. Helping citizen using Raizer. You find the citizen lying on the floor. He is not hurt, but cannot get up on his own. You find a pillow to provide comfort for the citizen and assure him you will help him. Do not help the citizen by pulling his arms. You find the Raizer or another assisting device and place it next to the citizen. Place the seat under the citizen's bended legs and make sure it is in contact with citizen's buttocks. Guide the citizen's arm across his chest to make a small space between his shoulder and the floor. This gives you enough room to place the back wrist. Assemble the parts as shown. Puggle up. Ask the citizen to cross his arms on his chest and put his feet together. By doing this, he does not risk being pinched by the Raizer. Support citizen's head. Ask him to lift his head if he is able to do so. Use the remote control to get the citizen in a sitting position.